But I wonder why they're leaving stuff in the field.
What stuff?
Wood, blocks.
Oh, that stuff? That is weird. So what are you doing?
Alright, that's pretty good.
Doesn't have any brakes, did you know that? Yeah. Can you do any tricks on it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good one. So here I am, sick, walking in this post-apocalyptic sky. It's crazy. Alright, ready? First monkey.
I dropped the hula hoop.
Okay. First stick.
I dropped another.
Okay.
How do
Stick
I
number
juggle
2.
this- How do I juggle the stick?
Juggle 'em,
And hold the
Kristen.
monkey.
Catch it.
Oh,
Okay,
gosh.
okay. Keep the hula hoop going. Monkey number 2.
Hold on.
Good job. Now wait
Wait.
just a second.
Oh,
Wait just a second. I gotta get something else. Paint. Okay. Okay, ready? Ready?
Hold on, I'll have to start all over. With not these 2 hula hoops because they're too light to swing around my hips.
Okay, start over.
Dude, why are you throwing paint to me? No.
Surfboard man. Hula hoop. Okay. Hula hoop number 2. Oh,
That's all my talent.
man. Ready?
Yeah.
Shoe. Good catch.
Hold on.
Ready? Umbrella. That was a good one. Alright, ready? Tennis ball. Good catch. Ready? Tribal stick. Good catch.
Daddy's like, what the heck are you doing?
Ready? Put the travel stick somewhere. Banana. Ready? Good catch. Ready?
Oh gosh! Oh.
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 Ready?
Oh.
Okay. Are you ready? Ready?
Mhm.
Monkey number 1.
Oh, I can't fit in my shirt.
Monkey number 2. Paint. Catch. Flashlight. Ready? Okay. Toilet paper. Ready?
That's hard.
That was a good one. Tribal stick.
I hate this one. Oh gosh.
Hula hoop.
No, not the hula hoop, not